If you want to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open settings on our phone. Next, we're going to scroll down a little bit and we want to go to wallpaper and style. In here, we should be able to tap on the change wallpapers, and now you just have to choose the wallpaper that you want to use on the lock screen. So let's say I'm going to choose this wallpaper over here. Now, before we move on, if you want to set the wallpaper just for lock screen and only for lock screen, then of course we want to make sure that only lock screen is selected in here. So we're going to uncheck the home screen and then we can go next. Now in here we should be able to, of course, customize the wallpaper further. So we can zoom in and zoom out and change the position of the wallpaper. Here we have the frame option, so we can apply a frame or remove it. We can also go to effects in order to apply an effect of your choice. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on done in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. There we go. Leave a like and subscribe.